This is the HC2650 complete trap and waste assembly from McAlpine. This is the matte black, and you can see how shallow it is. This also retains a 50mm water seal. The trap is easily removed and cleaned from inside the bath, so there isn't any access to a panel to clear any blockages which may be in a considerable standard trap. It's completely telescopic in the bottom, so it doesn't matter how thick your bath is. It can come out, extend, and actually put back in again. One click fully down and one up, and that's it assembled. The trap, as you can see, is matte black, but it also comes in chrome plating, high quality. And you can see the stand yourself. The overflow, disregarding the size of the bath or the length of the bath, is completely extendable. Again, this here will remove and turn to the position you wish it to drain. Again, comes out and goes back in again. And that's the two products, the HC2650, which is exclusive to McAlpine.